Hello, and welcome to my humble abode. This is the first time I've ever had a room on a second story, and honestly, I find it weirdly liberating. Like my own little oasis. Especially at night when the whole world is quiet and I can look out the window and see the roads crawling with the last trickles of traffic. As you can tell, I'm pretty drawn to whites and neutrals. I like how clean and crisp it looks, and also it makes decorating for the holidays so much easier because everything goes. And if you know anything about me at all, it should be that decorating is one of my absolute favorite things. This is my dresser, starting with what I coined my self-care corner. Face masks, body oil, a salt lamp, that kind of thing. Some fake flowers, where I hang all of my necklaces and some sentimental bracelets. A fake marble sculpture. And tucked away over there is a plant mister, a rose pine cone, and a small pebble sculpture that my mom got in Italy that says, in Italian, "Together we are beautiful," which I really like. And ladybugs are good luck, too, so. Various bits and bobs of jewelry and sentimental things because I am me. A Bluetooth speaker that is playing some easy music at most any given time. And a little marble trivet where I keep my usual rings and perfume. Next to that, I keep my pride and joy. Moving on from there, my bathroom door and my bedroom door. And behind my bedroom door is what I have deemed my magic corner, because all of the items I keep here are enchanting and reminiscent of magic. I have a birdcage with a snowy owl in it, a wand that I made, this pretty crystal ball candlelight, on the floor underneath that, I keep my camera bag, and next to that, some pictures that my mom colored for me in frames. Have I mentioned yet that I'm very sentimental? My closet, which I can actually show you because this is one of the rare times that it's sort of organized. My desk, where I keep my makeup and where I get ready in the mornings. My work area, for lack of a better term. This is my bed. It's soft and white like a cloud. And above it are these fancy string lights that I just love. Then we have my nightstand. On top, a plant. I love plants and would love to be surrounded by them at all times. Maybe kind of weird, but these are my dog's ashes. I initially got them so I have some for an as yet unpicked urn necklace, but it was so small and it suits just fine right here. A wire sculpture of Big Ben. And next to that I keep my sleep essentials. Lavender rollerball, sleepy time mist, cuticle cream. This beautiful little crystal handle I picked out, I love. It initially had a flimsy wooden handle, so needless to say we had to spruce it up. Underneath I keep a cup of pins, tissues, and books to read in the evenings. Next we have my reading nook, which is a relatively new addition to my room. I keep the chair here because it's cozy looking, but if I need the mirror, I'll just fold it up and lean it on the wall. Sometimes I move it around depending on my mood. Also, more string lights around the mirror because this is who I am as a person. So, this is my space. Welcome to my crib and all that. I hope you enjoyed your visit. Sorry I couldn't offer you some tea or something like a proper host. I hope that you're well, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.